Hey everyone, we are here, a live outside broadcast for CresTV, and I've grabbed our educational specialist, Mr. Phil Waterhouse, who's a business development manager here at Crestron. Now, we're out on location here in the London ExCel. Now, 3 years ago, this was a hospital in COVID, and now it's an educational show. Phil, what's going on here with Bett?
Yeah, you're absolutely right. It was the Nightingale Hospital.
Crazy,
yeah, I know. Now it is the biggest education show in the UK and possibly Europe, where a lot of vendors, and I know we've had 13,000 people on day one. I don't know what the numbers were for day two, but yeah, they've had record people come in to see us, which is fantastic for us.
Yeah, so I was on the stage on Wednesday doing the hybrid learning. Now, I was a bit of a fraud because I'm more technology. I don't do verticals. A little bit in enterprise, I kind of understand that, but I'm way more technology focused. Now, I'm a fish out of water here. Education, it's your background. But Crestron, what do we do in the education space? You know, obviously we've got a lot of great tech, but how does it fit into the use case of the schools, universities, and higher ed, and even some customers with training facilities?
Yeah, so if you take it from its basic, we are a video and audio distribution company, but in the teaching space, simple control panel, being able to switch inputs, so a laptop or a room PC, a camera, document camera, and then distribute that out to 1, 2, 3 screens. Then you get into the lecture theatres where you're into multiple inputs, multiple screens, but also things like auditorium for digital signage, bring your own device, and of course now the big word on the street, hybrid. The teaching space, got to be hybrid, people at home, people in different rooms, and that's where, for us this year, it's been a big thing with our intelligent video that you presented brilliantly the other day.
Now, I guess it is interesting because, again, everyone used to pile into those classrooms, and then obviously COVID came along and it was sort of Zoom and team learning, and as you say, we've got the intelligent video kit here. Are you hearing more from customers about, taking the classroom and expanding it out to, remote education and distance learning? Is that now gathering momentum and being more of a thing?
It is, and also we've had some companies come to us who were at your presentation, which was quite remarkable when they came and said, we're not in education, but we're here because actually we're building a college-type building within our organisation, but they're then linking that back to colleges, universities. So it's not just a hybrid within the university or the college itself. They're bringing businesses in where they're doing this for their apprenticeship. They need them to get them educated, but they'd rather retain them on site. So they're having specialist people just remote in using technologies that we're all used to now. So it's great, it makes sense.
Yeah. And what kind of customers, without naming any names, what type of customers have we had successful wins in the educational space? Is it, again, down to the sort of school level, or is it mainly in, say, the educational space, the higher ed space?
Yeah, it is the higher education space. The simplicity of a primary, secondary school is just one input and just one output. So that's not necessarily where we sit. It's where the smartboard sits and a big projector. But where we're winning now is the colleges. We're winning more and more colleges because they see it. They're delivering a degree standard. The degrees being at the universities, though, that's where our win is, but these multi-campuses. So it's not just a campus in Glasgow, it's a campus in Glasgow and London, or a campus in Liverpool and London. So that's where we're making some good big grounds.
Now, the show's still on today. You'll be watching this probably next week, so we will be somewhere else, another great trade show. But Phil, where can people find out more about our education? Have we got some great stuff on the website?
We have got some great case studies at Crestron.com, case studies globally, the UK. Have a look. If in doubt, give us a shout.
Fantastic. Thank you all for joining us on this week. We're out on location again. It's raining here, maybe somewhere sunny for the next one. Make sure you hit the bell, ring the subscribe and all that good stuff. Join us here on CresTV for more updates from us here at Crestron and the UC and AV industry, and we'll catch you on the next one.